Stop scrolling. Psalm 35 is your battle cry. Have you ever felt completely and utterly alone in your struggles? It is a profound and isolating feeling. You look around, and it seems as though the world is moving on, unaware of the silent war you are fighting within. Maybe it's a battle against unseen enemies, or a betrayal from someone you trusted, or the heavy weight of accusations that are not true. You might feel cornered, with your back against the wall. It's in these moments when our own strength fails us, and our voice feels lost in the noise, that we search for something greater than ourselves. To understand Psalm 35, meet its author. His name was David. Before a king, he was a shepherd, a musician, a poet, a warrior who defeated a giant with a sling. His life held victories and heartbreak, chosen by God, anointed to be king, yet hunted and on the run, pursued by Saul's jealousy and paranoia, betrayed by allies and family. He wrote from deep anguish, a hero in public, a fugitive in private. Lies spread, plots formed, they rejoiced in his trouble. Psalm 35 was forged in this fire. He took his case to heaven's highest court, not vigilante justice, faithful surrender. The psalm opens with a direct plea. Plead my cause, O Lord, with those who strive with me. Fight against those who fight against me. God, be my divine lawyer. God, be my heavenly warrior. Step into my battle. Stand in the gap for me. Take hold of shield and buckler. Draw out the spear, and stop those who pursue me. Then a personal request. Say to my soul, I am your salvation. Amid chaos, lies, and fear, assurance. Enemies dig pits, return evil for good. God sees. Let the wicked be like chaff before the wind. Their evil turned back. Justice belongs to the Lord. This is a God of action, defender, deliverer, salvation. Psalm 35 is not revenge, it's raw faith, a desperate cry and a declaration of trust. David doesn't hide his pain, he doesn't pretend to be strong, he admits fear, betrayal, longing for vindication. Prayer is sometimes messy, emotional, loud, real. It's a wrestling match with God and grief. He wrestles with injustice and pleads for action, yet he never lets go of God, hope amid tears. My tongue shall speak of your righteousness and your praise all the day long. Praise in the storm shifts our focus and builds courage. Faith is measured by our response to trouble. Faith forged in fire becomes resilient trust. Thousands of years later, our battles remain. We still feel wounded and alone. We still face injustice and confusion. We still need a champion. Psalm 35 transcends time. It still speaks with clarity and hope. God hears and defends his people. Make David's prayer your own. When attacked, pray. Plead my cause, O Lord. When vulnerable, take hold of shield and buckler. When anxious, say to my soul, I am your salvation. Join a chorus echoing through the ages. We serve a mighty warrior, a righteous judge, a loving father. You don't fight in your own power. Face your giants with God at your side. He is, and always will be, your salvation.